Hi, it's Yines of Prenatal Yini, and I'm back with another breastfeeding tip video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the Medela Supplemental Nursing System. This is the starter kit, and I'm going to show you why you will use it, how to use it, and how to clean it. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. The Medela Supplemental Nursing System is used to supplement baby at the breast. In my opinion, is the best way to provide supplement to your baby if you really want to breastfeed and don't want to give any bottles too early or in your breastfeeding journey. So using the supplemental nursing system is the best way to give your baby any extra milk that your baby requires all at the breast. While baby is breastfeeding, stimulating your milk production is also getting any extra milk the baby might require. Okay, so you may use it if there is a low milk supply issue, if there is a low weight gain or slow weight gain for baby, for relactation, for adoptive parents. So it's a really great tool to use. This one is the starter kit, so this one is used for short-term use. In the Medela Supplemental Nursing System, you could put your express milk, donor's milk, or formula. So now let's cover the parts that come in with your Medela Supplemental Nursing System, the starter kit. Okay, so it is sterile, so it's ready to be used. It comes with the tit connected to a tubing, and it also has a tubing clamp. It brings a little band to be connected to the base of your bottle with a fast clip, okay, or a quick clip. And it also brings a membrane and a disc. The bottle you have to have or purchase separately because the kit doesn't come with one. So this kit, the starter kit, fits any Medela milk container. It fits, this one is the 80 ml, 2.5 ounces, and it also fits on the 5 ounces bottles from Medela. Now we're going to assemble the kit. Okay, we're going to take our membrane and the disc, and we're going to place the membrane inside, making sure it comes through all the way like so. And then we're going to take our tit and we're going to place the membrane facing down or facing towards the tit, and we want to make sure that it goes in tightly. After that, you want to take the band and connect it to the bottom of the milk container. Put in your supplement, breast milk, donor's milk, or formula, and then you want to close it, screw it on. So now we want to make sure that this is unclamped, okay? And we're going to squeeze the tit slightly, and we're going to flip it over. We're going to release, and then we want to prime the tubing, and that will get any air out of the tubing and prime the tubing. Once that's done, then you want to clamp. Okay, like that. Clamp it, because if not, it's just going to keep flowing. All right, so here you want some milk. You don't want it completely full, but you want some milk here in the tit. So you could squeeze a little bit more just to get a little bit of milk in the tit. All right, so now the kit is ready to be connected. We're going to use the clip. We could connect it to mom's collar, right, or her gown, okay, whatever is convenient. All right, but what you want to do, you want to make sure that is kind of like at the level of the nipple. The bottom piece here is at the level of the nipple, because this is going to use gravity as well. So you don't want it too high, because then it's going to flow too fast, or you don't want it too low, because then baby's going to have to work extra hard. So let's say we'll connect it here. We'll connect it there, And then the kit comes with some tape that you could use, and you could tape it to your skin, the tubing. We're going to align the tubing with your nipple, and you want about a 1/4 inch of the tubing to be over the nipple. All right, so you want slightly a little bit more tubing over the nipple, just like that. You could place your tape here. All right, and then you could position your baby. You want the baby to take both the tubing and your nipple. All right, and when you're latching baby with the Medela SNS or any supplemental nursing system, you want to make sure that this tubing is between the philtrum right here, this part here, and here. We don't want it all the way in the corner of the mouth. We want it between here and here. All right, either side. Okay, so after baby latches on, then remember to unclamp and clamp the tubing. All right, the way you know the baby is getting from the supplement, from the SNS or the supplemental nursing system, is that as baby feeds and consumes this milk, you're gonna see bubbles. You're gonna see bubbles forming on top, and that's gonna let you know that baby's getting from the milk container, from the supplemental nursing system. Okay, once baby is done and you're ready to take this off, you could clamp and remove it. And the way you're gonna clean it is, we're gonna put some warm soapy water in here. You could rinse, right? Warm soapy water. We're gonna attach it again, and then we're gonna squeeze down, unclamp, squeeze, because we want to prime. We want to get any milk residue off the tubing, out of the tubing. Okay, so you could squeeze the tit to force down some warm soapy water to clean the tubing. After that's done, then you're gonna rinse again, right, and get clean water, and repeat the process, right? Repeat the process just to clear that tubing. All right, at the end, then you want to just squeeze more, just to get any water droplets that could be in the tubing. Okay, squeeze the tit, and the disc is gonna pop out, and then you want to clean these separately. All right, and the milk container. All right, and you want to lay it flat on a clean surface or a paper towel and let it air dry. So you're gonna repeat that every time that you use the SNS. If it's something that you need long term, Medela does sell a long-term supplemental nursing system, or you could make your own. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a video to show you how to make your own at home. So that is how you use the Medela supplemental nursing system. So I hope you enjoyed and like it if it was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.